Hello everyone! Introducing Gate Repair Pro, your first choice in case of any emergency gate repair. We're proud to be the most trusted gate repair company in the United States, serving thousands of homes and businesses with expert gate repair service. For over 10 years, Gate Repair Pro has provided professional gate repair services throughout the United States. Our certified technicians are trained to fix all types of gates, from simple swing gate repair to complex automatic and electric gate repair. We combine experience, high-quality parts, and excellent customer service to get your gate working like new again. Gates can face many challenges over time. Your motors can fail, hinges wear out, electrical components malfunction, and tracks can become misaligned. No matter the issue, our gate repair technicians have the expertise to diagnose and fix gate accurately. When you call Gate Repair Pro, our gate repairing team conducts a thorough inspection of your gate system. We check mechanical gate parts like gate hinges and gate rollers, electrical gate components such as gate motors and the gate control panels, and safety features like gate sensors and emergency releases. This detailed gate diagnosis ensures we identify every problem, even those you might not notice. After diagnosis, we swiftly repair your gate using only premium gate parts and industry-standard tools. We handle everything, replacing a faulty motor, realigning gate tracks, fixing electric gate wiring issues, or programming electric gate remote controls. Our technicians work efficiently but carefully, testing every repair step to ensure your gate operates smoothly, safely, and reliably. Our goal is to minimize downtime and inconvenience for you, leaving you with a fully functional gate and peace of mind. Gate Repair Pro is committed to customer satisfaction. We're fully licensed and insured. Don't let a broken gate cause you frustration or security risks. Contact Gate Repair Pro today for a free consultation or emergency gate repair. Call us at 1-888-521-0364 or visit gaterepairpro.com to schedule your service. We're here to keep your property safe and your gate running perfectly. If you want to watch videos on how to solve gate repair problems and solutions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below to let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next.